So now we're ready to start fleshing out the email interaction channel. And so the next step we need to do in order to make that a reality is we need to create an email case record type. And this will be much like we did previously for the other record types of mobile and telephony. And so we're going to click new and then enter in email for the record type label. Tab over to fill in the record type name and associate this with the email support process. We're going to set this to active by clicking the checkbox after entering the description. We're going to enable this case record type for all profiles as well. And you see now we can see the different record types that are currently available by profile. And in a real world scenario, you may be picking and choosing these a little more selectively. You may want, like for instance, the sales profile to not have certain case record types, whereas marketing may have others. But for sake of ease, we're just going to enable this for all profiles. We're not going to make the email case record type the default. And we're going to click next. Now for this email case record type, we're just going to use the same case layout for now. Here in a couple more lectures, we're still going to be dealing with the email interaction channel. I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the page layouts and make some edits to the page layouts as well, such as adding the email related list to the case page layout. And so for now, we're just going to leave this the same as just the case layout assignment and click save. So now we've created yet another record type. This is the email case record type associated with the email support process. Just as a reminder, because we're getting ready to delve more deeply into the email support process, just as a reminder is these different support processes that control which values are selected for the case status field. And so in the next lecture, we're going to be getting into email to case versus another type of email to case that's called on-demand email to case. You need to know the difference between the two and some of the considerations between them, because you just might run into some questions on the exam related to both, and you need to know when to use one versus the other. So stay tuned as we talk to email to case versus on-demand email to case.